Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen with Microsoft Copilot and you can use it to solve any problem that you have on your PC. So if you don't know how to do something, Microsoft Copilot can watch your screen and provide you steps on how to do that. So you want to go ahead and open up Microsoft Copilot on your PC and you want to look towards the lower right where you have these three buttons and here is a share your screen. You can click on that and you can choose whichever screen that you want to basically share. And the cool thing about it is this, once you share your screen, it will start to speak back to you. You can ask it to guide you on whatever that you want. I I've tested it so many times to ask it how to do certain things, and it has feedback to me and tell me how to do those different tasks. So I recommend that you try this out, guys. So if you're looking for ways how to do something and you can't find it on Google, you can't find it on YouTube, or you simply want to have the experience of using AI to guide you to solve whatever, then you can use Microsoft Copilot to help you to solve those problems. And that's it, guys.